Okay, now let's head up Cabbage. We just came down Cabbage. Let's go back to Cabbage. We're gonna go climb up that mountain and on to Salt Lake City. Okay, let's start up Cabbage. Alright, we're gonna go up right up there. That's gonna be us in a few minutes. All set up, ready to sleep at night at the truck stop. We're gonna watch a movie in the back seat. Open that door there, sweetheart. We're gonna stop for the evening and
you're gonna show them our private bedroom?
This is our private bedroom. Ta-da! We'll put our back window up and we'll get in here and make everything cozy with the pillows and blankets. And let's watch a movie.
Yeah, we're going to watch a movie and have some snacks. It'll be a good time.
Good time in the back of the truck. Good night.
Hey guys, Transport Bandits here.
Hey.
We got our load. We got a few hours down the road last night. Stopped at, what was it, Love's?
Yeah, we parked outside of Love's. We really don't get fuel at Love's. They're kindly expensive. We mostly get fuel at TA, Petros, Flying J's.
Yeah, it's a good place to stop for the night though. Now we're headed down to Salt Lake City. Hopefully drop this load off today and get rid of it. And then we'll head up into Wyoming and beat the storm there, the winter storm. And we'll find some place to do our reset. And then I'm going to head towards Iowa, get a little bit of work done on the truck, and then we'll either head home or go pick up another load. I'm not sure what we're going to do yet. Depends on how long the big winter storm has us snowed in. So we will do our reset there. And then decide what we're going to do from there. But I know I'm going to head to Iowa and get some work done on the truck.
Which means taking 80 back, maybe. Depends on how bad everything is and how bad everything gets and how quickly they get the interstate closed, because we won't have a camper on the back going back to Goshen. So that'll be deadheading miles. And we're not too concerned about the wind when we're just in the truck. We are concerned about other drivers and other vehicles on the road in those conditions, but we don't know what the weather holds in store for us. So we're going to do our reset and we'll wait out the storm and see what happens.
Yep, if we have to, we'll just kick it in four-wheel drive and plow our way on.
Yeah, we'll get there eventually. So check out this cool
We got
scenery.
great tires on the truck now, so I'm looking forward to testing them out anyway. So
yeah,
maybe with any luck they won't have the interstate clear.
Yeah. Wait, what? They won't have the interstate clear.
Yeah.
Oh no. He wants to test out his new Michelin Agilis Cross Climate 10-ply tires so bad. He wants to see a little bit of snow, don't you?
Hey, Four Wheel Drive magazine rated them that special rating.
What's that special rating?
I don't know. It's stamped on the side of the tire. It's supposed to be super good for mud and snow and ice. I mean, it's certified. So,
Certified.
You know, it should be unstoppable, right?
I wouldn't necessarily say that.
We'll see.
Alright, check out this scenery. In the East Boise way station to get our Idaho permit, which costs $60. We pay out of pocket to get that permit, and this is what it looks like. And you have to tape it up onto your window. It has to be displayed there. So it costs $60, but we should get reimbursed for that $60 when we turn in our paperwork. Let's head on down to Salt Lake City. Coming into Salt Lake City.
Hey guys.
Hey.
Transport Bandits here. We just got through with our drop-off. One of probably the best delivery I've ever had.
It was. It was great.
I am going to try my best to find trailers coming back here.
To Salt Lake City. Sports.
I'm not going to reveal that information because I want to save those trailers for myself. Those were great guys there. I like them a lot. All right, so we're running empty.
Hold on just 1 second and look at this. This is our view right now. And while we're making this video.
Okay, so we dropped off a matter delivery. And now we're headed where, Cheryl?
We are headed to Laramie, Wyoming.
That's right.
One of our favorite places.
This may seem crazy to you, because it seemed a little crazy to me.
And it's,
but we're headed dead
perfectly normal to me.
We're headed dead into the heart of the big winter storm.
Big historical winter storm coming to Colorado and Wyoming.
I figured we could have stayed in Evanston, been there in about an hour and a half.
And then do our reset.
And do our reset there, but they were only going to get maybe 1 to 3 inches of snow. We got to head east anyway.
We got to head east anyway.
So why not just go right into the belly of the beast?
But, see, what you didn't explain is we're due for a reset, okay? We have like 6 hours left on our clock, and so...
So we can reset in the big storm.
We'll just reset, get us a nice hotel, and I can get these hotels for with my points.
Yeah, we got a hot tub suite.
We got a hot tub suite waiting on us. Yay.
What's the name of the room? The Royal Crown Suite.
But I got it for free on points.
The Royal Crown Suite.
The Royal Crown Suite.
It's going to be sweet.
All right. Yeah, so we're going to have a big snowstorm. They're calling for, in Laramie, they're calling for 22 to 36, 34 inches of snow. And so, we've got a reset, so it's going to be a little bit longer than our 34 hours, but that's okay. We've been running hard for a little over a week, so if we take 2 days instead of 1,
we're going to grab some drinks and some food.
Yeah, stock up.
And probably some bubble bath for the hot tub.
Bubble bath. We're going to gear up for the big winter storm.
Go to the motel, park this rig, go inside, get in the hot tub, and wait for it to snow.
Wait for it to snow.
If it's not already snowing.
Yeah, because, you know, if we're going to hit snow, I'm tired of dodging it. We have been outrunning snow and chasing around storms, and getting ahead of storms and
That's right.
falling behind storms.
We are the bandits.
We're the bandits.
We're going to face this storm head on.
We're going to run to the storm. We're riders on the storm.
We're going to face this storm head on.
Gonna do it. We're gonna go right into the belly of the beast and stay there.
And we will videotape it for you.
We're gonna ride this storm out, this historical storm coming to Laramie and Denver and Colorado and Wyoming with 2 to 3 feet of snow predicted. We're gonna be there.
That's right.
We wanna be there. Are we crazy? Are we crazy?
A little bit, yeah.
We are the crazy.
But we're doing it for you.
Yeah, it's all
Those
for
of you out there, you want to see it, I know.
Yep. Okay, so check out this cool scenery while we're on our way to Laramie.
And while you're checking out the cool scenery, just reach right over there, press the like button, and then move over a little bit and press the subscribe button. It makes Cheryl happy. And when Cheryl's happy, I am content.
You're just content
yeah.
when I'm happy?
I'm not a content man right now. Please.
Yay.
Make her happy so I can be content.
You got a hot tub and a motel room coming up after having 7, 8, 9 days of sleeping in the back of a truck?
Yeah, that's great, but subscribers make you
I'm happy. We're getting a hotel room with a hot tub after 9 nights of sleeping in the truck.
That's all great, but people subscribing makes you even happier.
It does make me happy. Thank you. And as of yesterday, we hit 600 subscribers. So thank you very much. I really appreciate that. We're climbing on our way up to 1,000. That's our goal, is to get 1,000 subscribers. So. And
when we get to the motel, I'm going to videotape the, what do you call it? The Royal Crown Suite for you.
Okay.
So you can see what it's like to be superstars. Living in the lap of luxury.
Oh my God. He's crazy. That's why I love him. Show him those dimples, honey. There they are, Mr. Dimples. All right, let's check out this scenery. Transport Bandits out. reflection looks a bit like Shrek, don't you think? Hey guys, how do you like our subliminal messaging? Pretty smart, huh? See, all I did was take this side, I printed it out backwards, and stick it in the dash. Voila! I've got subliminal messaging!
I guess we'll see over the next 24 hours how much snow we get. What do you think, Cheryl?
I think it's going to come a blizzard. We are, they are forecasting 2 to 3 feet of snow here in Laramie, Wyoming.